Hey fellow motor travelers, today we're going to go through the steps on how to change the FJR1300 shaft drive oil, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. Before we begin, here are a few quick notes. This video will be specifically for the Yamaha FJR and will be performed on a 2015 model. Here's a list of what you'll need. Shaft drive oil, socket wrench and sockets, 2 new gaskets for the bolts, a bucket to dump the old oil into, a funnel, a small piece of aluminum foil, mechanics or latex gloves, and a torque wrench. Put your bike on the center stand and place a bucket underneath your drain plug. Place aluminum foil over the rear wheel and into the bucket. Loosen and remove the drain bolt on the bottom of the shaft drive. As the oil is draining, loosen and remove the fill bolt at the top of the shaft drive. Clean the drain bolt and put new gaskets on the drain and fill bolts. Once all the oil is drained, replace the drain bolt and tighten to the manual's torque specs. Put a funnel into the fill hole. Fill with oil just up to the edge of the fill hole. Some might overflow, but that's okay. The manual says right up to the edge. Make sure to clean up any overflow. Once you've cleaned the area, replace the fill bolt. Tighten the fill bolt to the manual's torque specs, and you're done. It's that easy. Just clean up the area and make sure to properly recycle the oil. Most auto stores will take it for free. We hope this has helped you and want to thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment or ask questions below, and please share with others if you think it might help them. Thanks for joining us this time on MotoTravelUSA. Now let's go explore.